activist was allegedly blindfolded and tortured after his arrest in connection with some videos claiming that Zimbabweans voted in Mozambique's disputed October elections. Zamira mashoko anobuda achitaura atikuona panapa kuti aiwa there is this individual watikuona anonzi Rusera tikuona kuti aiwa anotochewa aiwa neThe PF regime nokuda aiwa kwekuexposa kuriko kwakaita maelections munyika yeMozambique. Saka vana masvika mudanyigo panapa pahendo ino yatikona chinji redio ndobva subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti mutapenda pamudanyo chiti thousands of Zimbabweans allegedly voted for the ruling party Frelimo in the October elections. The activist Talent Rusere 32 who was arrested at Plumtree border post after his deportation from Botswana appeared at the Harare Magistrates Court on Christmas Eve. Rusere was remanded in custody by Harare Magistrate Rufaro Panavano to December 30 for bail application. The activist filed complaints before the magistrate claiming he was blindfolded and tortured upon his arrest before being driven to Harare at night to appear in court. He is being charged with 2 counts of violating immigration laws and the Data Protection Act. Prosecutors alleged that the Rusere was residing in Botswana without a valid passport and is currently of no fixed abode. They alleged that on December 23, 2024, Rusere was deported through the Plumtree border post after he was caught without a valid passport in that country. Rusere is said to have left Zimbabwe on an unknown date without possessing a valid passport and through an unidentified port entry or exit. The videos alleged that Zimbabweans were caught on camera casting their votes in Mozambique's elections held on October 9. It is alleged that as a result of some Zimbabweans responded on various social media platforms by threatening to engage in violent activities in solidarity with the opposition in Mozambique. Ndo mashoko anobuda tichiona kuti aiwa this guy anonzi Rusere aiwa tiri kuona kuti aiwa anobatwa nemhosva dzakawandisa aiwa and on top of that ane allegations ari kuuya achiiswa on him kunzi aiwa anoexposa otaura mashoko achiti aiwa the ruling party aiwa yakanoteka part kumaelection emunyika yeMozambique. Tudze mafunguro emu tikudipa musoro pechitiko ichi pera comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.